Good morning, everybody. I'm Jethro from Shaoguan in China. I'm staying with Brock. Of course, this is a very beautiful breakfast. We're still in the same mountain, Danxiashan. This is a garden or the park. Now, yesterday we tried to find the mountain. Yeah, we always explore this. Today we'll find another about some familiar stone. Yeah, I can't say that word, okay?
Yeah. Do you know how to try? Can you try to say the word?
Volcano or volcano or volcano. Volcano stone.
So welcome to the Edges of Earth. My name is Brock. I'm with Jethro. He did the intro already. So basically, where are we going? What are we doing? We're just hiking to a
Volcano.
The mission of yesterday was find the big. Now today is find the
big volcano.
Yeah.
Beach for the big.
What is it called? The what? Volcano.
Volcano. Volcano. Yeah.
We're going to find the woman part. Apparently made out of a rock. I think we seen two of them from the special mountain yesterday, but I don't think those were the official ones. They were like huge. So basically, we're just walking through a forest trying to find a giant.
And Brock is so excited today.
We are entering a cable car to go to the top. So we're going to go up, but then we're going to walk down. Correct?
Yeah.
Cool. So we have a one-way ticket to the top. So are you scared about riding at the top?
No, not speed. I mean, roller coaster is very speedy.
But what about yesterday on the mountain? We were going really slow, but you were still scared?
But you just walk outside, and it's very steep, and you have the potential to get out, to fall down to the mountain.
But you have the potential to fall out the door here.
No, I'm with Brock. Okay, safe.
Yeah, this is particularly steep, yeah?
Yeah.
Look at this.
What? In the morning we choose this?
Don't make me laugh, I'll fall down. So we just visited that area, but unfortunately it was a viewing tower surrounded by trees and you can't even see out of the tower, so it's kind of weird. So now we're going back down and we're going to search around the top of this big mountain that we're on and see what else we can find, yeah? So this is so weird. We've been hiking and hiking and hiking, finally getting to the top. But everywhere we go is completely blocked. You cannot see anything. Like, people make their own trails, which the signs say don't, just so you can see something. So I see that. That's about it. Everything is perceived, and they put these blocks there to stop people from dying, probably. Yeah, so this is the first time we've seen anything from this mountain. Oh my god. We just started walking again. We might see something here. Hey. Finally, we can see around us. Caution, it's a steepy mountain. So finally, I think we actually found an official viewpoint. Yeah, it's really cool. Yeah, legitimately amazing. What do you think?
Yeah.
Just yeah?
I like your choice.
Maybe the other side would have been better. We got up here and instantly started walking in the direction, and it just took us back down to the bottom of the mountain. So we're like, no, let's turn around and try to go to the top. It's kind of weird. And then we walked so far and we thought, shit, we're not gonna find anything. And then finally it took us here after a long walk. So anyway, we're here, it's cool, let's fly. Everyone wants to see you walk over here again.
Where?
Anywhere, down the slope.
Then?
Just try to touch the fence. Are you nervous?
Yeah. Yeah, I think okay, if you see from the videos, it's easy, very beautiful place, but you know how tall it is, how high.
Yeah, look over the edge. Look over that edge.
Oh my god.
No, just turn. Look over the edge, really far. Just put your head over the edge.
Oh my god.
No, do it. Look over. Oh my god.
Brock.
Awesome, pretty cool views. Yeah, we're basically going back the exact same direction that we came from, that we hiked so long for. Now we have to go back that same way to go back down to find Jethro's special rock.
Your favorite rock, okay? You said last night.
What did I say?
Okay, that's a secret.
Pretty sure now he's making stuff up. Well, we found a female tree. Yeah. So I'm kind of happy that we went when we went, because now there's just crowds and crowds of people going to the same location that we came from. Awesome, so we found a cool viewing point here. Do you want to take a bath?
No, yes.
Yes? Go for it. The dragon bath. Yeah.
You can take a shower.
Yeah. Not so sure I'd get clean after going in that water. I might become more dirty.
So this is a 龙王泉.
Oh, what?
Dragon King. Dragon King ring.
A Kim or a king?
King.
Ah,
Dragon.
Dragon King.
Yeah. 龙王泉.
So we take a bath with his saliva?
Yeah.
Ah. So basically, while we were up there, we're kind of walking down, and we can see. We think up in this direction, there's like another gazebo that looks particularly beautiful. It's like on a cliffside, and we want to try to fly away from the cliffside. Kind of neat, a little cave formed by weathering.
片林岩. The first one,
Yeah.
it means part, 2 parts, 3 parts.
Segments.
Yeah, segments. The second is the skin of the dragon.
Interesting. So it's basically dragon segment cave.
Yeah. The dragon skin is quite different from the humans. They're from the one part.
Scale.
Yeah, scale. So this is a word to describe the skin. 1, 2, 3. Yeah.
And it's an amazing view too. Everywhere you look, it's just awesome. Not so sure the translation is correct.
Scale rock.
What the hell is a scale rock?
I've told you.
Jethro says that these are like the dragon scales. Yeah? Do you remember the name?
Scale.
Yeah.
Dragon scale.
Dragon scales or fish scales.
Fish scales.
Yeah.
Scale.
Not skills, scales.
Scales. How to spell
Not
this word?
scares, because that's scary.
How to spell this word? S-C-A-L-E.
S, yes.
Scale.
Where is your L?
Scale.
Yeah.
Scale.
Yes.
It's like a picture. Picturesque. Picturesque view. Yeah.
Picturesque.
Picturesque.
These people, they keep screaming. They try to hear their echo. It's crazy. Jethro really loves the edge down here. If you look, it's really, really far down. Jethro looked over there and he freaked out and almost bumped into me a second ago. Yeah, go close to the edge now. There's no railing.
No.
You found a clue about
Yeah.
the special stone we're looking for
Yeah,
today.
the famous Vagina Stone. Yeah, the broken favorite stone. Yeah, for 800 meters.
Yeah, so we got to walk 800 meters. But before we go there, we're going to walk up here to what we think is a cool viewing point. But I don't know. Apparently, we just walked on the wrong side. Can we go this way? So we think this is the moment that we've been waiting for. Maybe. I don't think this is the exact... Ah, there it is. We were looking for the gazebo thing. I think we found it. These views are amazing up here. Oh wow, and we have people who have made locks to lock in their love for one another. Maybe. Does this one make you nervous?
No, it's better.
You're not very close though. Go to the edge. Ah. What do you think about the view?
It's not dangerous.
It's the view is not dangerous.
Yeah, you think from that side to this side, you think you're very, very close to a mountain now.
Yeah.
I mean, you get close to the beautiful mountains. So I'm thinking maybe you can fly drones that direction to there. I don't think it's so far. Yeah. Yeah, it's quite windy, but not good for
It's beautiful, but it's so windy. The drone is like shaking
Yes.
constantly. I'm nervous because I'm scared that it was going to go down and crash. But so basically, we're going down the mountain. We just finished up flying in that area. You have to go down a vertical mountain with a ton of people. So weird. You hope that nobody behind you falls because it would be like a domino effect. So apparently it's this way, and we are 800 meters from Jethro's favorite stone.
So what the hell? We just walked for 15 minutes in the direction that the sign said. Last time it was 800, now it's 1,000 meters.
Choose one.
Jethro found an ice cream shop.
Yeah. Why? Because we need it now, because we're so close to the female stone, so we need to be power. Oh, this snack, this is corn.
What is it?
Corn.
I don't know that.
Corn.
Corn?
C-O-R-N. Corn.
Corn?
Corn?
Corn ice cream.
Yeah?
Oh my god, no.
Yeah?
No, how about this one then?
Maybe this is better.
How's your corn?
Not good.
Oh my god, you're walking faster already.
Yeah.
So much energy. So excited.
Yeah. So excited to see that
Volcano. We are quickly approaching. Where's your excitement?
Can't show.
There's a whole lot of commotion going on. I think this is just a platform. Yeah. Oh no, I think we have officially arrived. Let me find a corner. Yeah. Oh, she's hiding. Too much bush in the way.
I think we made it. Is that your new screensaver?
If you look closely, they put barbed wire down there to prevent Jethro from going. There's some pretty excited people.
What about you?
I'm excited as Brock. Look at Brock, some parts.
Huh? So what do you think?
Yeah.
Was it worth coming?
No, it's so good. I think, yeah, worth coming.
Yeah?
Especially after ice cream, we came here. Yeah, we are powerful, energetic. Yeah, and the things is quite very. I mean, compared with mountain, this mountain is also very natural. Also, yeah, similar. I think it's quite. It's a match things. Yin yang in China. Yin yang.
Yeah. Yin, he's referring to what we know as yin yang.
Yeah, yang means
That
man.
yin yang circle thing.
Yeah, so this is a kind of balance.
Interesting. Yeah, it's kind of ironic that those two things are really nearby each other. It was worth coming just to see
even
something.
Brock touch it.
Really?
Yeah, I saw.
I went through the barbed wire fence.
Yes, I saw that. I will show you pictures to you. Okay?
You can't believe this guy. You'll show pictures, huh?
Yeah.
Hopefully you hire a good Photoshop guy.
Yeah, I will.
But yeah, I think that was officially the most amount of work I've ever done to see some.
I think we forgot a very important thing because we don't use the drone. We didn't use the drone. I think if Brock used the drone, he would fly so deeply and so smoothly and around there. It's just some scan or everything. Yeah. Okay, just delete it.
Just delete it. You think I should have flew inside?
Yeah. Yeah, because you will control your remote, your mobile phone, and inside to the some. This is for the scientific things, medication, because you know the background of the product.
What? I think you're just mumbling.
Yeah, mumbling.
So we walked to a lake, and now are we taking the boat into
The exit.
Oh, we're taking to the exit. Are you scared? Are we going too fast?
No, it's so too slow.
Oh,
Yeah.
you want me to tell him to go faster?
Yeah, okay. Ask him.
I just realized, wwhere's the keychain from yesterday? You didn't put it on your bag yet.
In my bag.
Why isn't it on your bag?
I'm scared.
So we just exited the park,
Yeah, this is the gate of the park. Look, Danxia Mountain.
and now what's going on? What are we doing?
We will have lunch and then we will just take the taxi, go to the high-speed train station, so finish our journey today.
So we took a taxi ride
Across the countryside.
back into the city
And we finally made our way to food at, what time is it? Like 3 o'clock?
Now it's 3 o'clock.
Yeah, so we just finished our lunch at 3 o'clock, thank God, because we were pretty hungry. Now we are at the train station actually, and we're going to go back to Shenzhen, and that'll be another hour-and-a-half journey. What do you think about today? What was your favorite part about today specifically?
I would say it was a pretty good part, pretty unique, pretty interesting to stand there and watch the people do special poses next to it and take their photos.
Yeah, selfies, and so excited. Everybody just hurried to get this good position on that.
So by the way, totally out of coincidence, we were hungry and this was the first place we stopped. We stopped at Dicko's. Out of all the places that we could have stopped this weekend to eat, from yesterday's video and today, Dicko's.
Yeah, I think my favorite part was actually flying the drone on that windy mountaintop with all the people and the gazebo thing. It was stressful at the moment, but I'm happy that it's kind of done and over with. But that was actually kind of fun. It was a challenge. It was a challenge because there was so much wind. There was a point where I looked at my phone and like the picture tipped sideways because it was so windy. It was so crazy.
Today we are hiking for a lot of mountains, and watched a lot of surprised things, the men and women.
So yeah, that's the story. That's it. We're gonna get on the train, take a nap, call it a day. Hopefully you enjoyed yesterday and today. It was an interesting place, that's for sure. Thank you all for watching. Remember, your time is running out.
Start retelling China.
Start living. Take care.